How to get notes in Messenger. In this video, I will show you how to get notes in Messenger. Open the Messenger app. As you can see, the Notes feature appears here at the top of the screen. If yours does not appear like mine, then don't worry. I will show ways you can get it. Exit the app and open either the App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you are using, because this tutorial is the same for both Android and iOS devices. After that, go to the search bar and search for Messenger. Check if the Messenger app needs to be updated and update it. You can know if an update is needed because you will see a text that reads, "Update somewhere here." Tap on it and the app will be updated. This will install the latest updates and will make sure you get all the missing new features that have been added to the app. If this does not solve the issue, then open the Message app once more. After that, tap on the menu option. It is this option with the hamburger symbol here. A side panel with several options appears as you can see. From the options, tap on the settings. It is this icon with the gear symbol. This is the settings page of Messenger. Scroll through the settings. Continue scrolling until you are at the bottom of the page. Next, tap on this option here. A menu appears from the bottom. On the menu, tap on this option named Report Anyway. After that, you will get this other page that asks you to confirm if you want to add diagnostics logs while sending the feedback. So, go ahead and tap on either Include or Don't Include. I will choose the second option. Finally, you will land on the feedback section where you can see a text box where you have to type a message asking Messenger to fix the issue. You can type the following just like I have done. The Notes feature missing from my Messenger account. I tried updating the app but did not fix the issue. Kindly help me solve this problem as I need to use this feature. Thanks. When you are done, you can also choose to include a screenshot of the missing feature by tapping here. After that, go ahead and send the message and they will respond to you with a solution. Finally, exit the Messenger app and open the settings of the phone. Once you are here, scroll down. Continue scrolling until you see an option named General. Here it is, tap on it. After that, you will land on this other page. Scroll through the page and look for an option named iPhone Storage. Here it is, tap on it. After that, the page will start loading. Give it time. Finally, you will this page where there is a list of all the apps. Scroll through the list and look for the Messenger application. As you can see, here is the app. Tap on it. You will this page that has two options. From the options, tap on this named Offload App. A section with options appears. Tap here and the app will be offloaded. This will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. After that, you have to reinstall the app. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available in the App Store.